Presenting a pre-owned 2021 Ford Escape Hybrid. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 75,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 43 miles per gallon in the city, and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.